How to activate Go2Bank card without logging into any account. Let's get started. One of the quickest ways to activate your Go2Bank card is by calling the toll-free activation hotline. This is a convenient option, especially if you don't have access to online banking or the mobile app. Look at the sticker on a newly received Go2Bank card and you will see the activation phone number. You can activate your debit card by calling the number 855-449-0703. For the Go Bank Debit MasterCard, you can call them at 888-288-1843. And for the credit card activation, you can call them at 855-459-1351. You will be greeted by an automated system that will guide you through these steps. Have a card number ready as you will be prompted to enter it along with your expiration date and CVV, which is the three-digit security code on the back of your card. Once you provide this information, the system will process the activation. After following the prompts, your card should be activated within minutes, and you will be ready to use it for purchases, payments, or any other transactions. Make sure to call from the phone number associated with your Go2Bank account if possible for a smoother process. Another way is to activate using Go2Bank ATM. Head over to any Go2Bank ATM or a partner network ATM, insert a new card into the machine, enter your PIN, which should have been sent to you separately when you receive your card. Once your card is in the ATM, perform a quick and easy action like checking your balance or withdrawing a small amount of money. By doing this, your card will be automatically activated. This method is perfect for those who want to avoid the online login processes but still need to get their card up and running quickly. That's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, feel free to drop a comment or give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.